So, about to go out for this Easter little date with the kids. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you along so you can see. All right, guys, I'm about to take you with me to take some photos that I'm gonna put on the gram. So yeah, make sure you check out my Instagram because these pictures are gonna be nice. I'm pretty sure it's something I can use because you did a lot, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, he wants screw. Don't it? Mm-hmm. Right down. That one ain't too bad. Oh, what hell? So we decided on going to Longhorn and we're in here after a whole hour wait. Stop. You sad? Asen. Asen.
It's exact by popular demand.
It's my busy little baby. Asen. Asen. We're having our own little Easter because my husband ended up doing something where he lives, where he's from, and it was too cold to take the kids outside and the wind was blowing, so I didn't go. So I figured I would take them to do something nice today, just me and the kids, and my sister came along. Stop. I'm such a sucker for this bread. It's my favorite bread when I go out to eat. I always ask for more. When you're greedy and can't wait to eat. But this is what I got. And then this is Shania's.
Naya's.
And Ava's.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Where are you going?
Juice?
Looks right crazy. Alright, and now we're about to leave. So I am about to end up going to where my husband is right now so Ava can do a little Easter egg hunt because she's feeling sad because she doesn't have one this year. We had a big old Easter party last year, but I just wasn't in the mood to do anything this year. So, alright guys, I'm going to take you on that journey with me also. Okay, so we're on our way to get the kids some shoes. Hopefully we can find something in the mall, but I will check in and let you guys see what I got now. We're here at the mall to get the kids some shoes and Asen some walking shoes because he is trying to walk already. So let's go find him some shoes. Right here. I want to see if I can find Ace in a black hat. Going to the kids section. Hopefully I can find Ace in a black hat because he wears hats until he turns 1 and I can cut his hair. He already got all of these. I don't see a black one. It's navy blue.
Look, Mommy.
What?
I want this.
You can't, that's too big. You gotta find your size. Oh, so we're about to walk in the kids' Foot Locker and see if we see her some shoes. Say what?
I need to put
We find out if we need to go down to top.
Hey YouTube, I'm taking you with me today to get laser hair removal. I'm gonna see if they're gonna let me vlog while in there while I'm getting the laser hair removal did. So hopefully you can see me on my journey. Because you are another. Give me a really good feeling all day. So we about to have a little car karaoke. All right, y'all, let's go. I'm about to be late, sitting right out here at the parking lot. So let me get my stuff together. Get my behind out. Going right here to my line laser hair removal. Oh, I'm about to trip, break my neck. Look, I had to stop getting those done for a minute too. You ready? Yes, I'm ready. Like, you can handle this. Just a little pinch. That's what it feels like. Then you don't have to worry about waxing all the time and ingrown hairs. Gotta put this on. She can't wear no deodorant or anything. I ain't the one not to be wearing no deodorant. Alright guys, let's go. Starbucks time. Okay, can I get a cheese Danish?
Cheese Danish, yes ma'am.
Yes, and then a iced chai latte.
And an iced chocolate size.
Venti. And can you?
Yes, sir. Anything else rated?
Yes. Can you switch that milk to oat milk?
Venti iced chocolate oat milk, yes sir.
And that's it.
Okay, that total for you is going to be $10.80.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
It's all $10.80.
Okay, 1 second. Oh. Thank you.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. lighting is horrible. Oh, delicious. This hits the spot every time. Okay, I gotta go. Oh, let me take a bite of my Danish. These things are good. My sister turned me on to these. Delicious. Alright guys, I gotta drive. Okay, I made a little detour, so now I'm about to go get my eyebrows waxed because they looking a little need to be waxed. So yeah, waxing time for the eyebrows. Scratch that because the eyebrow lady not here, and yeah, I'm not letting anybody wax my eyebrows, so won't be getting that done today. Okay, I went and got my eyebrows waxed. Let me tell y'all what I hate. So I'm sitting up there getting my doggone eyebrows waxed, and my stomach just got to do what it got to do. Like the whole day, it ain't been making no noise. But as soon as I lay my tail on that table and it get quiet, it want to start rumbling. And to make it all worse, they always got to be like, oh, you hungry? No, I'm not hungry. I just ate. My stomach just want to make noise. Like, dang, just be quiet. You ain't got to even know that you heard my stomach make no noise. But, dang, so disrespectful, man. They'll do it to me every time. Yeah.
Yay! Wait, Mommy, we can color the baby shirt too?
Yes, we can color everybody's shirt.
I'm gonna do Daddy's first.
How excited are you?
Really excited. I'm not excited. I'm really, really excited. Mom, where did you even get this from?
I went to Walmart.
Walmart has these?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
Yep. I was like, let me get my baby some tie-dye because she been crying about getting some tie-dye. And she did good riding her bicycle yesterday.
Yeah, but I kept stopping.
That's fun. Hey guys, so today we're getting Botox. I haven't had Botox in over a year and some change because, yeah, I had a baby and I was breastfeeding, so I had to wait before I put these toxins back in my body. But yeah, I'm ready to re-up. Look at that. Look at that muscle right there. This buddy don't play no games. But they about to get her right. So yes, I'm gonna see if they let me record, and if so, I'll bring y'all on my journey. But if not, I'll have the results for you in like 7 days, because it takes about 7 days before it to settle where it needs to settle. I don't know if you guys can see, like, but yeah, I'm about to be back tight and right because, yeah, look at that. Okay. I'm ready for the whole 7 days to come on so I can be back to me. All right, guys, I think that's all I'm doing today. So yeah, so when I tell you guys, Peppy Cakes, oh my gosh, look what I got. Those, oh, kind of dark, but those cookies are bomb. And her cupcakes are really good too. But yeah, I'm about to eat those. So I gotta pick up my protein. Thinking about trying this one. If it can focus on it. But yeah, I'm gonna get that.
I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you.